This is a cold ferment dough and then with direct method. A little bit more complicated, but if you have time and you want to do direct method with no polish, this is the way to go. At high speed, Francesco. La ciliegina sulla torta and a touch of olive oil. Best pizza channel. Okay, Francesco, welcome guys from Maestro with Iacopelli, and thank you so much for being here. Today is going to be something very interesting. A video review and unboxing of some equipment that you really need to make pizza. 3, 2, 1, boom! Voila guys, a dough mixer! One of the best mixer in the... one of the most important, I'm gonna turn it because you're gonna see, one of the most important tools to make pizza dough, the mixer. And this one, guys, trust me, this is a Ferrari of pizza mixer, guys. I'm very excited to show you today. This is a video review of Puglisi machine, brand new. Look at this. 10 speed, timer, one off and off. Guys, if you want to become a pizza pro, yes, you have to have a dough mixer at home, and this is the bomb, the Ferrari that you can buy. You buy it one time and you make an investment for all life. Link below. Guys, Puglisi, made in Italy. I don't want to talk too much. Let's make this bomb dough. I'm gonna make today, Francesco, per favore, vieni. Let's get ready. Oh, Francesco is gonna help me to get ready with the dough. Like you can see, Francesco made some pizza dough with me before, and today we're gonna make something special, something direct. One of the most perfect pizza dough direct method. So stay tuned and see what you need to make. If you have a dough mixer, use this recipe. If you don't have it, guys, check these guys out. Give them a shot. Puglisi, made in Sicily. I went personally. So let's get ready with the dough mixer and the ingredients. Andiamo, Francesco. Guys, take a look how quiet is this dough machine. Take a look how quiet. Put it at high speed, Francesco. Wow. 10 speed, guys. 10 speed, and this is the sound it does. It's very quiet, and that's how you see when the dough machine it's good from the sound. Amazing, Puglisi, amazing. Fantastic, P8. We're gonna make a lot of pizza dough in this dough machine. Fantastic. Turn it on, Francesco, and let's make this pizza. Okay, here we are making 75% hydration pizza dough, direct method. You need 1 kilo of 00 flour, 750 milligrams of room temperature water, 20 grams of sea salt. And this time we are using for direct dough 2 grams of fresh yeast. If you're using dry yeast, go ahead and use same thing, 2 grams of dry yeast. Let's go ahead and let's start with putting the water, but make sure half amount of the water. There we go. Now let's put the 2 grams of fresh yeast. Let's turn it on the machine and let's melt the fresh yeast in the water, just like that. Now open up and let's add all the flour, all of them. There we go. Now let's close it and let's put the dough machine at speed 1, very slowly. Mix the dough. There we go.
Now that is all together. Stop, let's check. Yeah. Now we can add the salt. All the salt after it's mixed. There we go. After it's all together, I mean. There we go. So now, after you put all the salt, let's put the dough machine at the max speed for about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's nice and smooth, the dough is ready. Actually, I forgot. Let's add the rest of the water, little by little, just like that. Little by little, at the max speed of the dough machine. This way, the dough will incorporate all the water. Like you can see, the water is getting in. And here you go, guys. Finally, the dough is ready. Let's turn it off, the dough machine. Oh man, it did a really good job, this dough machine. Now let's open up. Voila, take a look. It's smooth, strong, and now let's get ready with making the balls. Let's take it out. Here we go, guys. Let's take all the dough out and let's put it in a clear bowl, possibly with glass, which is better. When it goes in the fridge, it's much better. You'll see later in a little bit. Because this is bulk ferment dough in the cold fermentation. So how to make long fermentation but cold. And this is how you do it.
Okay guys, here you go, the dough is ready. And now we plastic wrap everything. So in this case, today, we're gonna put it in the fridge and leave it in the fridge overnight. And tomorrow we are going to make the balls. See you in 24 hours. And voila guys, 24 hours on the clock pass by. This is a cold fermented dough, and then with direct method. A little bit more complicated, but if you have time and you want to do direct method with no polish, this is the way to go. So now here you go, like you can see, it's like a balloon. You explode a little bit, but that's fine because that means it grows really well. So it's full of air, but now I want to show you something because be careful, because we want to try to not make again the mixing part, because otherwise you're gonna just make it nervous and that becomes like this, the pizza. So you wanna touch it very lightly. So we're gonna take it out. Of course, you need a little bit of olive oil and a plastic spatula. Okay, olive oil in your hands, like always, top. This way, this top stays on top. Okay, so try to take out the dough as it is from the bowl, just like that. Now, be careful because this is glass. Flip it over again, and just as it is, we have to go ahead and make the balls. And perfect, the dough balls are ready, and now let's put it in the dough box. And voila! So now we let it rest at room temperature until it gets to the dough gets to the room temperature. Usually 1 hour to 2 hours, and the dough is ready. Because of course we give 24 hours of fermentation in the fridge. So 1 hour to 2 hours depends on the room temperature, and it's ready. So let's wait, let's put it on the side, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. Chuck. Oven in place. This time I'm cooking with wood, and but here we are testing the dough. Magical. It's growing. Now it's ready to rock and roll, and 1 hour passed by. Probably 2 hours is better. For video purposes, I have to make it now. So let's go ahead and let's make the pizza. A little bit of flour. Take a look. The dough is nice and full of hair. higher. Sorry for my accent, but for me it's really hard to say air. Higher. Come si dice air? Aria.
Air.
Hair.
Hair.
Può essere anche capelli.
No. Hair.
Anyway, let's go ahead and let's stretch the pizza and let's see how this dough machine Puglisi worked. Wow, it's full of air, real. It's nice. It's nice and strong. Woo! Voila. Little bit of tomato sauce. Voila. Nice fresh mozzarella. Just chop it. And a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Voila. Olive oil. And ready to rock and roll. Can't wait. The oven is in place. Watch this. If you are cooking with wood, we have to cook the pizza with the flame. So let's go ahead. And let's fire up another piece of wood. Voila. So now we have the correct flame to cook the pizza. Let's go ahead, let's take it, pom 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 pom, make a little bit bigger. Voila, let's go in the oven. 60 to 90 seconds and the pizza is ready. One second, couple of minutes, I want like it crispy. Pom 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 pom, and the pizza it's 1, 2, 3. Take a look of this pizza. Take a look of this pizza. Voila. Judge with your comment below. Crispy, wow. Come sta vedendo? Wow, take a look. The perfect cook of a pizza. Top, 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 top. Voila. Judge, please, judge. Little bit of basil on top, la ciliegina sulla torta, and a touch of olive oil, and voila, the pizza is lovely done. Nice, crispy, like you can see, a little bit of black dots, but this is because the dough was a little bit cold. So, guys, this is how to make bulk ferment dough. Basically we called fermentation. This is basically more than 24 hours, about 32 hours. There we go, 24 hours in the fridge. But most of all, most important thing, guys, this is why the dough came really good. Thanks to this dough machine, Puglisi. Voila, boom. Best equipment ever, best investment ever. It stays forever. Link below. Thank you so much, Puglisi, for giving me this gift. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go. See you soon, guys.